So cute.
Megan loves cats. I love cats too. We both love cats.
Yeah.
Smile. Smile for the camera, cats.
Be careful with the movement.
Yeah, I am.
Show them the chicken. Chicken, guys. Yeah. They're making something. We didn't use my microphone, guys. Hi. What's this?
Hello.
Wow. Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So it's me, Megan. So for today's video, nandito ako sa Phuket, Thailand. So mag-island hopping kami ng boyfriend ko. So yung boyfriend ko dati sa video na nakita nyo is nag-break na kami. Matagal na. Tapos, yeah, mapakilala ko sa inyo yung boyfriend ko ngayon. Pero matagal na din kami. So, ayan. So, i-explain niyo kung ano gagawin namin today. So, can you please introduce yourself?
Hey, I'm Kane, everybody. Welcome to Miss Megan's channel. We're going island hopping today to Surrender Island to meet the indigenous Thai people. I'm so tired. It's like 6:10 a.m. Too early.
Yeah, it's too early because they will pick up us early in the morning. So, yan guys, kagigising namin at kakaayos. So yan nga, pupunta kami ng Surrender Island. So, let's go. Are you ready?
Yes.
So yan guys, dito yung hotel na nag-check-inan namin. Ito. Yun. So, mapunta na kami sa lobby for pick up. Kasi yung pick up namin is 6:15. So ayan, hinantay namin yung pick up. See you guys. On the way.
Breakfast in the bus.
Bus. Van.
Van, bus, same thing.
Ayan guys, we just arrived. Check in. Ayan guys, kaka-check-in namin dun sa sa may lobby, doon banda. And then, meron silang pa-free breakfast, light breakfast. Bago pupunta. Pakita ko sa inyo yung breakfast area. Pero light lang siya. Hi.
She can speak English also. She named Tia together today. And today we go to Surrender Island. No one booking to Sri Lanka. I'll repeat. Everyone same destination, right? We take time from here around 1 hour 50 minutes. 1 hour 50 minutes, almost 2 hours, everyone. Because Surrender a little bit far from the speed 60 km/h. So
So, ayan, we are currently boarding sa may ferry. Is it right? Boarding?
We're boarding the speedboat.
Yeah.
Boarding the speedboat.
Yeah.
วิธีลงง่ายๆเรานั่งลงแล้วหย่อนขาลงได้เลยค่ะ
Ayan guys, nandito na kami. Sa may Surin Island. So, andito kami sa sa may mga small village.
Surin Island.
Yeah, Surin Island. So, siya, mga bahay-bahay siya na na ganito, papakita ko sa inyo. Ganyan siya. Ayan guys, may mga nakatira dito na mga local. Tapos ano siya, basta small village siya sa
Local children.
may mga bahay-bahay. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Tapos nagbebenta din sila ng mga accessories. Yeah. So they're selling accessories also.
It's really boring after. In the homes, yeah,
Yeah.
interesting, but looking at the accessories, boring.
I'll just show everything. Ayan guys, small village lang siya. Sabi ng tour guide, they don't have nationality.
Yeah, that's right. They
Yeah,
don't speak
they don't have
Thai language. They
nationality.
have their own,
So they don't speak Thai language, so they have their own.
dialect.
Yeah, they have their own dialect. It's not Thai, right?
No, it's not
Yeah.
Thai.
So ito yung itsura niya guys. Ganyan yung mga bahay-bahay.
It would be fascinating to look inside of the hut.
Yeah. Gusto kong pumasok sa sa loob pero hindi ko alam kung allowed.
There you go. It's still a little bit.
Yeah, like that. One of the local.
Hello.
Hi. Can I take video?
Hello.
Hi. Ayan guys. Nagbebenta sila ng ng mga accessories. Pero some of them, they can speak Thai. Some of them. Yeah. Ayan guys. So ayan lang, nililibot lang namin yung buong village.
Right here.
Yeah. So ayan.
It's quite interesting to look at the traditional
Yeah.
village life.
So maybe we can go inside.
Not accessories.
Yeah. Like grabe. Ayan.
Hello.
Hi. Can I take video? Yeah. Ayan. So kumakain sila. So nahiya kaming pumasok sa nila bahay. Kasi baka hindi allowed. Pero welcoming naman sila, di ba?
Drying their washing.
Yeah. It's you.
Ah.
So yung bahay nila is Ayan, parang may silong. Basta ganyan lang siya, guys. Pero maganda. Pare-parehas. Looks the same, right? They're all the same.
Yeah, I think so.